amazing English learners. Welcome to day 12 of our 15-day English speaking challenge. I'm your host, Alia Mehar, and I want to start this session with one simple but powerful reminder. You are doing something extraordinary. Every single day, you show up here, not because someone forced you, but because you believe in yourself. You believe that your voice matters. You believe that English is not just a language, it's a key that can open new opportunities, new friendships, and maybe even a new version of you. Take a deep breath. Smile, because you are not just learning English, you are transforming your confidence, one sentence at a time. Now, before we begin today's sentences, let's talk about something really special. Why the future matters, and how talking about it in English can completely change your mindset. When you speak about your dreams in English, something beautiful happens. You don't just say words. You start to see your dreams more clearly. When you say, I will travel the world, or I will become fluent, or I will help others, you're not just practicing grammar. You're making a promise to yourself. You know, thousands of learners start English, but very few stay consistent. But you're still here on day 12. Do you realize how amazing that is? That shows discipline. That shows faith. And that's why this challenge works. This 15-day journey isn't just about vocabulary or grammar. It's about building a habit, training your tongue, and rewiring your brain to think confidently in English. That's why I always remind you, don't just listen. Shadow my voice. Repeat. Feel every word. When you shadow, you are doing what fluent speakers do naturally. You're improving your pronunciation, your rhythm, your speed, without even realizing it. It's slow English, yes, but it's powerful English. It's the kind of English that becomes part of you. Now, let's talk from the heart for a minute. I know learning English isn't always easy. Sometimes you feel shy. Sometimes you doubt yourself. Sometimes you hear others speak fluently and think, maybe I'll never reach there. But you will. You've already come so far. Remember your first day? Maybe you struggled with basic words. Maybe you hesitated to repeat aloud. But now you're shadowing complete sentences. You're understanding the rhythm, the tone, and even emotions behind the words. And that's what true progress looks like. Small, daily steps. So today, as we talk about the future and making plans, I want you to imagine your own future self. Confident, fluent, smiling, speaking English naturally in front of anyone. That's where you're heading. And every time you repeat a sentence today, you're getting one step closer. Today's session is very special because we're going to learn how to talk about your plans, your dreams, and your future in English. You'll learn sentences like, I will call my friend tomorrow. I'm planning to start a new project. I want to travel next year. Simple, real, and powerful. Sentences that connect to your life. Because the future is not just about what happens tomorrow. It's about the small promises you make to yourself today. Now, my dear learners, listen carefully. I want you to stay with me till the very end of this video. Why? Because every sentence we'll practice today builds on the last one. If you leave early, you'll miss the connection, the flow. But if you stay till the end, you'll feel a transformation. Your voice will sound smoother, your confidence will rise, and your English will flow more naturally. So please, find a quiet place, wear your headphones, and give yourself this gift of focus. You deserve it. Before we start, I want to say thank you to everyone who's been commenting, sharing, and practicing daily. Your comments are my favorite part of this challenge. They show that you are not just watching, you're participating. And for those who are new, make sure you subscribe right now and hit the bell icon because from day one till now, every single video builds your foundation for fluent English. If you missed any previous day, go back and watch them. Each one adds a new layer to your speaking skills. You know, when I started learning English, I didn't have fancy courses or teachers. I had curiosity. I had courage. And I had the belief that if I just practiced a little every day, I would get better. And that's exactly what happened. That's why I created this challenge, to help you experience the same growth. No pressure, no fear, just real practice, every single day, with love and motivation. So today, when we talk about the future, don't think of it as just grammar practice. Think of it as life practice. You're not only learning how to say I will or I'm going to, you're learning how to think positively about your own journey. So, are you ready to begin? Let's promise one thing together. We will speak slowly, clearly, and confidently. We will shadow every sentence, and most importantly, we will enjoy this process because English is not a race, it's a rhythm, and you're finding yours. So, grab a glass of water, sit comfortably, and repeat this with me. I am ready. I am confident. I am becoming fluent. Let's begin our day 12 practice, talking about the future and making plans with friends. Repeat after me. Feel the words and keep smiling. Sentence 1. I will call my friend tomorrow. Repeat. I will call my friend tomorrow. Sentence 2. I'm going to meet my best friend this weekend. Repeat. I'm going to meet my best friend this weekend. Sentence 3. We will go out for coffee together. Repeat. We will go out for coffee together. Sentence 4. I will tell her all about my new plans. Repeat. I will tell her all about my new plans. Sentence 5. We are planning a short trip next month. Repeat. We are planning a short trip next month. Wow, you're doing amazing. Every sentence you speak about your future brings you one step closer to the person you want to become. Don't stop now. Speak slowly, clearly, and confidently. Remember, it's not about perfection. It's about progress. Let's keep going together. Sentence 6. I will save money for the trip. Repeat. I will save money for the trip. Sentence 7. We will take a lot of pictures. Repeat. We will take a lot of pictures. Sentence 8. I will buy a small gift for my friend. Repeat. I will buy a small gift for my friend. Sentence 9. Next week, I'm going to start a new online course. Repeat. Next week, I'm going to start a new online course. Sentence 10. I want to improve my English speaking every single day. Repeat. I want to improve my English speaking every single day. Sentence 11. Tomorrow, I will go for a morning walk. Repeat. Tomorrow, I will go for a morning walk. Sentence 12. I'm planning to start a new hobby soon. Repeat. I'm planning to start a new hobby soon. Sentence 13. We will watch a movie together on Saturday. Repeat. We will watch a movie together on Saturday. Sentence 14. I will learn something new every week. Repeat. I will learn something new every week. Sentence 15. My goal is to speak English confidently in every situation. Repeat. My goal is to speak English confidently in every situation. Let me tell you something personal. The effort you make today will become your success story tomorrow. Sentence 16. I will help my friend with her English homework. Repeat. I will help my friend with her English homework. Sentence 17. Next year, I want to visit another country. Repeat. Next year, I want to visit another country. Sentence 18. We will celebrate my birthday together. Repeat. We will celebrate my birthday together. Sentence 19. I'm going to join a gym soon. Repeat. I'm going to join a gym soon. Sentence 20. I will start eating healthy food. Repeat. I will start eating healthy food. How's your energy, my amazing learner? You've already completed 20 sentences. That's real dedication. Every repetition makes your brain stronger. Every I will you say today is a promise to your future self. So smile and keep going. You're almost there. Sentence 21. I will study hard for my exams. Repeat. I will study hard for my exams. Sentence 22. We are planning to go shopping next weekend. Repeat. We are planning to go shopping next weekend. Sentence 23. I will call my parents in the evening. Repeat. I will call my parents in the evening. Sentence 24. I'm going to start reading a new book. Repeat. I'm going to start reading a new book. Sentence 25. We will have a small party at home. Repeat. We will have a small party at home. Sentence 26. I will go to the park with my family tomorrow. Repeat. I will go to the park with my family tomorrow. Sentence 27. We are planning to visit our grandparents next month. Repeat. We are planning to visit our grandparents next month. Sentence 28. I will wake up early and start my day with energy. Repeat. I will wake up early and start my day with energy. Sentence 29. I'm going to make my dreams come true. Repeat. I'm going to make my dreams come true. Sentence 30. My future is bright and I'm ready for it. Repeat. My future is bright and I'm ready for it. Take a moment. Close your eyes. You just completed day 12, and that's not small. That's powerful. Because every sentence you practiced today was a seed for your future confidence. You spoke your plans, you shaped your dreams. You didn't just learn English, you built a stronger version of yourself. Remember, English is your bridge to the world. It's how you'll connect, grow, and shine. Here's your homework. Comment below. In the future, I will... Example. In the future, I will speak English with confidence. Write it proudly. Make it your promise to yourself. And don't forget, subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon to join day 13. Watch this video again. Shadowing twice doubles your improvement. You're doing something amazing. You're not just learning, you're transforming. And I'm so proud of you. Say it with me one last time. I am learning. I am improving. I am succeeding. See you tomorrow for day 13. Keep shining, keep speaking, and keep believing in yourself.